The 2008 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, tow hitch, running boards, premium wheels, power passenger seat, CD changer, anti-lock braking system, four-wheel drive, power steering, front air conditioning. Come take a test drive today.